Do you feel like you're losing everyone? Maybe because you chose yourself this time. Am I right? It's uncomfortable and you're probably asking, why does choosing yourself feels like everybody's leaving you behind? That's because you were used to live your life based on others' expectation of you. Once you start prioritizing your life, some might feel unaccustomed to it because you were always putting their needs first. If they don't get what they want, they'll distance themselves to you. The good news is, the people who truly loves you will stay and support your decision. Don't feel guilty choosing yourself. Di ba nga sa eroplano, kailangan ayusin mo muna ang breathing apparatus mo bago ka tumulong sa iba? Kasi, paano ka tutulong sa iba kung ang sarili mo hindi mo maalagaan?